Imagine a kitchen table covered in paint, tiny pumpkins, googly eyes, glitter, orange paper, and excited kids proudly showing off their spooky little creations. In 2026, DIY Halloween crafts for kids are becoming more than just simple activities. They're turning into memory-making, moments families look forward to every fall. From Dollar Tree supplies to easy handmade decorations, Halloween crafting is now one of the most creative and affordable ways to bring the season to life.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are DIY Halloween crafts so popular for kids in 2026? Parents in 2026 are focusing more on activities that encourage creativity, reduce screen time, and create meaningful family experiences. Halloween crafts allow kids to express imagination, while helping homes feel festive and seasonal at the same time. Love creative family activities like this if Halloween crafts win. What pumpkin crafts work without carving? Painting pumpkins, adding stickers, wrapping them in fabric, or decorating with markers and glitter are all safe alternatives for children. No-carve pumpkin crafts are especially popular because they're easier and less messy. No-carve ideas ready? Like this if safe crafting wins. What makes DIY Halloween crafts truly special for kids? It's the experience they remember, the paint-covered fingers, the laughter around the table, the excitement of showing off their spooky creations, and the feeling of celebrating Halloween together as a family. Those moments become traditions kids look forward to every year. Feeling the Halloween fun? Like this if it feels unforgettable. What lighting makes Halloween crafts feel more magical? Battery-operated candles, fairy lights, glow sticks, and LED lanterns instantly make craft displays feel warmer and more festive once the sun goes down. Lighting, glowing, like this if spooky ambiance wins. What Halloween crafts can be used as decorations? DIY garlands, ghost lanterns, painted jars, mini wreaths, and window decorations can all become part of your Halloween decor. Families love crafts that continue decorating the home long after the activity ends. Decor-ready crafts, like this, if handmade decor wins. What Halloween colors are trending for kids' crafts in 2026? Classic orange and black remain popular, but pastel Halloween shades, neon green, purple, and neutral spooky tones are becoming increasingly trendy for modern Halloween aesthetics. Palette ready? Like this, if colorful Halloween wins. What group Halloween craft ideas work for parties or classrooms? Mask decorating, mini pumpkin painting, Halloween slime stations, and paper bag monsters work especially well for groups because they're interactive, simple, and easy to customize. Group activity planned, like this, if party crafts matter. What easy Halloween crafts are best for younger kids? Paper plate pumpkins, cotton ball ghosts, sticker bats, handprint spiders, and simple coloring. Crafts work perfectly for younger children. Easy crafts help kids stay engaged without becoming frustrated. Kid-friendly crafts? Like this, if simple projects win. What common Halloween craft mistakes should I avoid? Avoid overly complicated projects, messy supply overload, or unrealistic expectations. The best crafting experiences focus on fun, creativity, and memories rather than perfect results. Keeping it fun? Like this, if stress-free crafting wins. What Dollar Tree supplies work best for Halloween? Crafts, foam pumpkins, plastic spiders, black paper, paint, googly eyes, pipe cleaners, mini lanterns, and craft sticks are some of the most popular affordable supplies. Dollar Tree crafting is especially trending because it keeps Halloween decorating budget-friendly. Supplies ready? Like this if budget DIY wins. What are the biggest Halloween craft trends for kids? In 2026, cute ghost crafts, painted pumpkins, paper bats, glow-in-the-dark projects, and Dollar Tree DIY. Decorations are some of the biggest trends. Families are also loving crafts that double as home. Decor once completed. Trend ready? Like this, if spooky creativity matters. How can parents encourage kids to be more creative? Allow children to personalize projects instead of copying exact examples. Creativity grows when kids feel free to experiment with colors, shapes, and spooky ideas in their own way. Creative freedom? Like this, if imagination matters. How can I organize Halloween craft supplies easily? Use trays, bins, and labeled containers to separate paint, glue, paper, and decorations. Organized crafting stations make activities smoother and more enjoyable for both kids and parents. Supplies organized? Like this, if clean crafting matters. How can I make Dollar Tree crafts look more expensive? Focus on coordinated colors, layered textures, and intentional styling. Even affordable supplies can look high-end when the overall design feels balanced and visually clean. Budget-friendly glow-up, like this if smart styling wins. How can I make Halloween craft time more fun? Create a cozy crafting setup with Halloween music, snacks, themed drinks, and decorations. Around the table, in 2026, crafting is becoming more experience-focused, rather than just a quick activity. Craft station ready? Like this, if cozy vibes matter. How can I create Instagram-worthy Halloween crafts? Use coordinated colors, layered backgrounds, and clean setups for photos. In 2026, families love documenting seasonal activities online, especially cute Halloween crafting moments. Photo-ready crafts? Like this if social-worthy DIY wins. DIY Halloween crafts for kids in 2026 are all about creativity, family memories, and affordable, seasonal fun. Through simple Dollar Tree supplies, cozy crafting moments, and playful Halloween ideas, you can create activities that feel magical long after the decorations are finished. If you want Halloween to feel extra special this year, start with DIY crafting together. Like this video, and come back for more 2026 Halloween inspiration.